Pixelate, powered by Ocucon, is a simple and innovative solution to data protection compliance, and we're really excited to showcase our latest version of Pixelate. We've made some major upgrades to Pixelate to make it even quicker and easier to use. The first step is to register for a new account. Once you've registered, you can log in with your username and password and access your dashboard. On the dashboard, you will find information about your account, for example, subscription type and minutes remaining. To purchase a new subscription, click View Subscription Tiers. Here, you can select from Essential, Professional, or Enterprise tiers. Please take a moment to review the details of each tier. For this example, I am going to select a professional subscription, which includes 2 user licenses and 15 minutes of uploaded footage per month. I'm going to assign a purchase order number and click Go to Payment. After entering my card details, my subscription has now been processed and my dashboard has been updated accordingly. By clicking on the Users tab, I can add another user from my organization at this point or at a later date. The Billing tab enables me to view my purchase history. I can view my historic purchases of minute bundles or add-ons, and I can also see my purchase history and download my invoices. On the Account tab, I can update my company name if applicable, or I can change my password if required. Returning to my dashboard, I can now launch the Pixelate video redaction application. To get started, first upload your video file that you wish to redact. Click Choose File and name your file, and add a note if you wish. Once your video has been processed, it will appear in the video list. Click View to go to your video. On this video control panel, we can see the video in the center, the zoom in, zoom out function at the very top. At the bottom are the controls: play, pause, fast forward 1 frame or fast forward to the end, and rewind 1 frame or rewind to the beginning. In the next section, you can view the frame number, then the video time, and lastly, the playback speed. You can speed up or slow down the playback of the video. On the left-hand dashboard is where you will create, or if necessary, delete masks. Masks are the area in which the blur effect is applied. You now have 2 options with regards to redaction: manual redaction or auto-redaction. I will first show you the steps to manual redaction. Depending on the aspect ratio of your video, you may need to adjust the aspect accordingly. Then, locate the first point in the video where an individual appears that requires redaction. You'll start off with 1 mask, mask 1.1, so click on the upper left-hand corner and drag downwards to form a box. You also have the option for a round mask, like so. Next, click Record, and to play the video whilst recording the mask, press the spacebar on your keyboard and click and hold with your mouse to follow the individual throughout the footage. If there is more than 1 object or individual that you wish to pixelate in the same frame, you will repeat this process. When you are finished creating individual masks for each object in the video, click Save, and then click Redact. Your video is now in the redaction queue as it is being processed and pixelated as instructed. Once the job status is updated to complete, your video is ready to download. To download your video to your device, click the arrow that appears next to Job Action and your download will start. If you wish to use the auto-redaction function, I will show you the steps now. Pixelate relies on AI and machine learning to auto-redact individuals. To use this function, click Auto-detect. A job will automatically be created, and to access this, you will return to your jobs list. When the job status reads complete, click to view your video. Here, we see that the auto detection will have automatically created masks as shown in the left-hand dashboard. take a moment to review your video and delete any masks as necessary. You will delete the mask that corresponds to any individual that you wish to remain unredacted. When you are happy with the preview results, click Redact to process your video for redaction. And as with manual redaction, you will find your completed video in the jobs list once the job status is updated to complete. Click the arrow next to Job Action to download your video to your device. For more information, please visit ocucon.com/pixelate.